we are going to refresh how is the path of the lubrication system. The oil starts in the bottom on the oil pump. You remember? The oil pump. The pump suctions the oil from the oil pan. The oil is going at high pressure, lubricate the bearings. Those bearings, they have the grooves and they have the hole, and the oil enter at high pressure through the groove, create the film between the soft metal and the metal of the crankshaft.
Yeah.
And this is the film of oil that produce the pressure that you read in the oil pressure gauge. Okay, in this moment you have the oil lubricating the bearings, and also enter through the holes in the crankshaft and lubricate the other one and the other one and the other one and lubricate all of them. You see those cavities, guys, those cavities. You see? Yeah? The oil pass, lubricate this, lubricate this, lubricate this. All of them are lubricated with the same pressure coming from the oil pump. And what about what happened after that? Here is the block, and the cavity of the block continue, pass through the oil bracket where you have the oil filter, pass through the bracket of the oil filter, and the oil continue in the block and lubricate the bearings of the camshaft. In the camshaft, you have another group of bearings, main journal bearings. You remember when you remove the camshaft? You remove the camshaft carefully to avoid damage the journals on the camshaft. You remember that? Okay, the oil goes over there, lubricate those bearings, the main journals bearings on the crankshaft, and the oil continue through the oil enter and pressurize other important elements. What is the name of those elements that are pressurized? The hydraulic lifters. And the hydraulic lifters expand if the engine has hydraulic lifters. The oil lifter expand and push, and the push rod push the rocker arms. And the oil pass through the push rods because the push rods are hollow. And lubricate what? Lubricate the train of rocker arms. Lubricate all of those. And after that the oil return for gravity. And bingo, this is the path of oil. We are going to refresh quickly. Number one, oil pump, suction the oil. Pass through the bracket of the oil filter. After that, lubricate the bearings of the crankshaft. After that, enter on the hydraulic lifters, expand the lifters, and goes through the lifters. After the crankshaft, lubricate the bearings of the camshaft. After that, the hydraulic lifters. After that, the push rods. Lubricate the rocker arms and goes down for gravity. Bingo. That's it.